When you search for the best paracord knife for survival, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same flashy designs. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: TECUM Paracord Rope. The TECUM 532 Paracord Rope is really something special. This tactical parachute cord comes in various lengths and a whopping 45 colors. Priced at just $7.99, it caught my eye as a bestseller. If you want reliable cordage for any survival situation, this is worth a serious look. The nylon core is designed for durability, making it resistant to weather damage, which you really need if you're outdoors. With over 8,600 reviews and a 4.7-star rating, people trust it. This matters for you specifically because having reliable cord can be the difference between a comfortable camping trip and a frustrating one. Now, some people complained about the thickness being a bit too much for certain tasks. Here's the thing though, if you need a sturdy rope, thicker is actually better for strength. It's all about knowing what you're using it for. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor enthusiast who wants to ensure safety in your adventures. Skip this one if you need something ultralight for everyday carry. For the price, you're getting a great value here. Now, if the TECUM's thickness bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. The Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops folding knife is a sleek tool that stands out at a budget-friendly price of $11.89. This knife, measuring 7.1 inches overall with a 3.1-inch blade, has an impressive rating of 4.6 stars from over 52,000 reviews. If you want a reliable everyday carry knife, this is worth a serious look. The blade is made from high-carbon stainless steel, which means it's durable and holds its edge well. The ambidextrous thumb knobs and finger flipper allow for quick one-handed access, which is super convenient in emergencies. The liner lock offers extra safety, ensuring the blade won't slip while you're using it. This is crucial because you need to be confident that your knife is secure when you're in a pinch. Now, some users mentioned that the handle could feel a bit slippery when wet. Here's the thing though, you might want to consider how you're using it. If you're in a wet environment, that could be a deal breaker. But for most casual outdoor use, it's completely fine. This is perfect for you if you want a solid, dependable knife for outdoor activities without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a knife with a textured grip for more secure handling. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for multifunctional use. Product number 3: Grandway Pocket Knife. Next up is the Grandway Pocket Knife, priced at just $9.99. This knife includes a 3.74-inch blade and comes with some nifty extras like a fire starter and whistle. With a rating of 4.3 stars from over 5,300 reviews, it's gaining popularity. If you want a versatile tool for survival, this is worth a serious look. The handle is wrapped in paracord, which not only offers a secure grip but can also be unraveled for emergency situations. That's super important because you want tools that can serve multiple purposes in the wild. Plus, the compact design makes it easy to carry, which is a must for any survival gear. Now, some folks pointed out that the blade can be a bit challenging to open quickly. Here's the thing though, if you prioritize safety, that extra resistance can actually provide peace of mind while you're using it. This is perfect for you if you're an adventurer looking for a comprehensive survival tool. Skip this one if you want a knife that's faster to deploy for quick tasks. Considering its price and features, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about outdoor life. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more robust, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 4: Gerber Ultimate Survival Knife. The Gerber Gear Ultimate Survival Knife is a standout tool priced at $42.55. With a 4.7-star rating from over 3,100 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among survivalists. If you want a no-nonsense survival knife, this is worth a serious look. This knife features a half-serrated stainless steel drop-point blade, which is fantastic for various cutting tasks. The textured rubber grip provides a secure hold, even in wet conditions, which is essential for safety. Plus, the included fire starter and sheath with a sharpener mean you're getting a survival kit in one tool. This combination is crucial for anyone who often finds themselves in the wild. Now, some users mention that the knife is a bit heavier compared to other models. Here's the thing though, that added weight actually contributes to its durability, making it a worthwhile trade-off for serious tasks. This is perfect for you if you prioritize versatility and reliability in your survival gear. Skip this one if you prefer something lighter for everyday carry. Given its comprehensive features, it's worth every penny. Now, if you want something that's compact and loaded with features, check out the next product. Product number 5, Envia Esport Survival Bracelet. Finally, we have the Envia Esport 20-in-1 Survival Paracord Bracelet, priced at just $9.99. With a rating of 4.3 stars from nearly 1,900 reviews, it's a creative solution for survival needs. If you want a compact survival kit that looks good and functions well, this is worth a serious look. The paracord can be unraveled to 10 feet, which is incredibly useful for various tasks in a survival scenario. This means you're equipped for multiple situations without carrying bulky gear, making it super practical. Now, some users found the compass to be less accurate than standalone models. Here's the thing though, for quick navigation in a pinch, it's still a handy addition, especially when space is limited. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, everyday wear survival tool. Skip this one if you need a more traditional knife. For the price, you're getting an amazing value packed with features that could save the day. So there you have it, the top 5 paracord knives for survival. From the durable TECUM paracord rope to the multifunctional Envia Esport Survival Bracelet, each option offers something unique. Whether you need a reliable knife or a survival tool that doubles as a bracelet, you can find a perfect fit for your needs.